Mass is therefore defined as the quantity of matter contained in a body. Units of mass. The standard unit of mass is kilogram. It is written as kg. Beam balance. The quantity of matter is measured in terms of mass. A beam balance for nearly accurate measurement of mass of costly things like gold, silver, cardamom, or cinnamon, a sensitive physical balance shown below is utilized. The physical balance consists of a light and rigid beam of brass, a metallic pillar, a wooden base, 2 pans, a metallic pointer, and an ivory scale. The device is enclosed in a box to avoid the effect of wind. A weight box containing standard weights comes with the balance. The mass of a body is found by plastic body in one pan, placing some standard weights in the other, and then calculating it from the standard weight placed on the resting point of the pointer. If the resting point of a physical balance coincides with the zero resting point, then the mass at the resting point gives the correct mass of the body. If you go to a grocer and ask for 500 grams of rice, he puts the standard weight of 500 grams in the left-hand pan and goes on adding rice in the right-hand pan till the beam is horizontal. For measurement of this mass, he uses a beam balance. Electronic balance. An electronic balance is a device used to find accurate measurements of mass. Electronic balance precautions. Make sure the balance is level and on a stable surface. Make sure the range of the balance is appropriate for the mass being measured. Make sure the balance reads to the correct decimal place, also known as readability, 0.1 gram, 0.001 gram, 0.0001 gram, etc. Make sure the pan is free of particles and substances, as this could affect results. Carefully transfer substance from stock container to the weighing vessel. Add the substance in small increments until the desired mass is present in the weighing vessel. Discard any substance still present on the scoop or spatula. Never return stock chemicals to the container.